During Christmas, my family's favorite traditions is making our homemade hot chocolate. To make that, you just get dark chocolate. I use Tony's from Whole Foods. And then you dice up into thin little pieces. And all the culinary kids do not come at me. I'm aware I am horrible at cutting. You're just gonna dice up the entire bar into thin pieces. And then once you've gone through the entire bar, you're gonna go back over and dice it all the way through, leaving no big chunks. Because if you don't do this, it doesn't fully melt in the pot. So just make sure you go back over and dice it over the opposite direction. And then you're gonna set a pot on medium low, and you're gonna add in 4 cups of whatever kind of milk you like. And then I add in 3 cups of cocoa powder and mix in the cocoa powder until it kind of all mixes together. And then once you do that, I add in 2 tablespoons of whatever kind of honey you like. And then you're gonna mix those all together. And then once it kind of gets to there's like kind of a white cast on top and there's no powder left, that's when you add in all of your diced chocolate. And then from here, you're gonna keep mixing until there's no chunks or powder or any lumps. And this takes around 4 minutes, 5 minutes. And then once you're done, it should be this dark of a color. It should be creamy and soft. And then you're done with your hot chocolate. And then it comes on to the add-ons. So from here, I always add on whipped cream. I kind of flatten it out, and then I put on cinnamon powder on top. And then the very last step is adding cinnamon sticks. And then you're completely done with my family's homemade hot chocolate, and it's amazing.